Hujambo, annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa, ni hao, sawati, bonjour, guten tag, hola, saubona. Hi guys, how are you doing the day of today? This is such a beautiful day. Yeah, just like you. Aww. So guys, how have you been? Have you been well? Because I've been good. Yeah, the last time I saw you guys, I was coming from the hospital because of the tonsils, and they were pretty bad until yesterday night. That's when I felt some recovery. I thank God. And guys, today I want to take you on a little adventure because we are going somewhere to do some activity. Not activity just like a normal activity. It's something that I told you guys I'll be taking you out on adventures to let you know more about the region that I stay at. And so many things because I am a neighbor to Mount Kenya. First of all, that is something you all don't know. Like Mount Kenya is right here and we are right here. So every morning that I wake up, I'm like, Mount Kenya, good morning. Yeah. So guys, well, you'll see that. So guys, in today's video, we'll be going to the caves. Okay, these caves were used a long time ago during like the struggle for independence, where the Mau Mau, I'll explain what the Mau Mau is right there. The Mau Maus used to hide there, so it has become more of like a historical like place to go to, and I thought it was like a really cool idea to take you guys along with me because I've never been there, so it will be a first time for both of us to experience that place, to see that place together, and I hope we can capture a lot. I hear it's a cave, and it's like a really long cave. We will see how long it is because we are getting surprised together, you see. So yeah guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share with your friends, make sure you share with everybody, like everybody who likes this historical stuff, anybody who would love to come visit Kenya, anybody who would love to come and visit the place. Please make sure you do. And with that said, don't forget to share the video too. You comment, you share with everybody. Like, we need to take this to another level. Share guys. Share, and also like, and subscribe to those who have not subscribed. Guys, with that said, I love you so much. You're such amazing people. Let's go for the adventure together, because we're doing this together. I told you guys I've never been there. This is my first time too, so I'm also a bit nervous because I don't know what to expect. And with that said, let's go. the Mount Kenya forest. It is just began like from this point. Yep, and we're still going. So guys, we just got here and it's raining. It's drizzling actually, not raining, but yeah, it's a long distance, I must say. So I think we're going to first get into the office because I heard you have to do some payments and stuff like that, and then after we're done with the office, I think we head to the caves. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. So guys, we've just made the payments, and now for you to get into the caves, you have to get a security officer. And if you're many, if you're alone, you get one security officer, and if you're more than one person, you get two of them. And so yeah, we just called one, and we're about to head to the caves and see for ourselves. This is my first time ever, so this is the waiting area. Like you're getting through that point, and then this is the place to record people. Like don't want to be recorded. So guys, let's go. So guys, she's the one who is going to take us to the caves. She's one of our security. So what's your name?
Gentrix, Georgie.
You're Gentrix?
Yeah.
Wow, you have a nice name. So how long have you like been around here?
For around 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
And how is the experience being here? It's nice.
Yeah, I can't complain.
Are the caves good? I've never been there before. Are the caves like, how is the atmosphere?
It's good, I hope you know.
Okay. Okay. The entrance to the tree nursery. But are we going to go to the nursery?
If you want.
If we want. Okay. But the distance that we've come, I'm astonished and I am shocked. If the Maumaus used to come all the way on foot, I don't think I would survive in those times. Mm-mm. What's the name of this tree? This one. This one is a robusta. Okay, and these ones? Okay. What about these ones? Pines? Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Do people come here like out for picnics and stuff? Wow, this place is so beautiful. I've never been here.
You can even hold your birthday party down
Okay. So guys, I'm just being told you can even hold your birthday parties down there where we are headed. I will show you guys when I get there. Yep. This tree is so beautiful. I don't know. It's caught my eye. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Isn't this divine? Wow. Look, the air here is even fresher. I must tell you.